Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in our today's video, we are doing an unboxing of some dinner set that I got for myself. As today is the 2nd of June, so it's my first gift for June. So yeah, welcome. That is the box. I've already done some part of it, the unboxing, because my kids were so anxious and they wanted to see it. So I did some kidogo unboxing, showed them a piece of each set, and I now want to do the fully unboxing. Karibuni sana.
Joy, I feel release, kind of naturals in my space, everything in perfect grace. Slow mornings, golden light, everything just feels so right. Pour my love into my home, never feel like I'm alone. Everything moves at my pace, unboxing joy, simple things, happiness that life can bring. Water boiling, scent in air, soft music everywhere, gentle hands and peaceful mind, leave the stress all behind. Feel the vibe, this is how I choose to thrive. Every moment, every scene, living calm and living clean. Glow, glow, in my life, flow, flow, day and night, candid natural, shining bright. Everything is feeling right. Glow, glow, in my life, flow, flow, day and night, this soft light from my zone, building beauty, building home. Glow, glow, in my life, flow, flow, day and night, candid natural, shining bright. Everything is feeling right. Glow, glow, in my life, flow, flow, day and night, this soft light from my zone, building beauty, building home. I feel the calm inside, like the ocean with the tide. Nothing heavy, nothing loud, just my peace, I'm so proud. Every step I take is slow, everywhere I let it flow. Candid naturals in my heart, this is where my day will start. In my life, flow, flow, day and night, candid natural, shining bright. Everything is feeling right. Glow, glow, in my life, flow, flow, day and night. soft